Namaste. Feel comfortable, you can even do this cross-legged more comfortably. We'll begin circulating the head. As you exhale, side stretch towards your right. And we'll continue exhale, twisting towards your right. Once again, continue moving with the breath. We'll release. Switching sides, extending the right leg, tucking the toes, and just pressing the belly. Inhale, take your gaze up for cow pose. Between the hips and the heels, you can even place one underneath the torso. As you exhale, soften the shoulders. Thank you for joining. Namaste.
situations lately, people might be a little hesitant to approach someone they like in a professional setting. Still a good idea due to the current climate.
Yeah, because you know they'll get a check. That's why, you know.
You know they're employed at it.
Exactly. You know, and I've been trying to get a cameraman number one. Hey, cameraman. He ain't got no ring on his finger, but if you don't give me something, I'm going to go over there to cameraman number two. Hey.
I actually think that I get it, that there's a lot of things that are going on, and I think it's an amazing thing that people are speaking out about sexual harassment. Also, some great people that you could meet at your workplace.
Yeah.
And don't kill the love. I've heard incredible stories of people meeting in their workplace that have found the love of their lives there. Yeah. They have things in common. You know, they get to go on lunch breaks together. It is possible. So I don't want to kill the love at work.
It's just how you do it.
Yes, I think the workplace is actually the sauciest place. The super sexy security guard who worked at the booth across from my area, right? So every lunch, like I'd make sure I'd get my extra glove.
I tried it. I mean, being an actress, you're, on a show.
Right.
And sometimes, you work with that person all the time. And things, okay, now if things don't work out and the show gets picked up,
everybody on Facebook.
Oh.
And that hurts my feelings because I feel like they can tell me that they are seeing each other. Chris.